So not too much in the box, just the phone and actually cord. That was it. I guess there's no more headphones. Let's see. So I forgot something. Nope, I did forget something. Let's see. What is this? Oh, here's my key. And terms and conditions, nothing special. So they don't send too much this time. Just have my key, a few little notes. Let's see. It's empty. Everything's empty. Okay, so there we go. Note 20 Ultra unboxed. Now I'm shooting this actually off of a Galaxy Note 10, and I'm gonna do a side-by-side comparison of the two phones. So I'm gonna let you guys go for a minute, get this thing fired up, and see what it's all about.